How to fix Spotify login error, Facebook login failed. So if you're trying to log into Spotify using your Facebook account, but if the login has been failing for some particular reason, so if you just tap the login button, there are many ways to log in. First is you can enter your email address over here and make sure to enter it manually and tap on continue, or you can also log in with Google. But if you're trying to log in with Facebook, you want to tap on Facebook and select your Facebook account. If you're having errors logging in with Facebook, there are a couple of things that you can check. First off, you want to start by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa. If you're using the Spotify app on Android, make sure to long press the Spotify app icon. Tap on this I button that says App Info. Then from there go to Storage Usage, from where you can clear the cache files and clear the data. After you've done that, just go ahead and then check if the Spotify app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Then just launch the Spotify app, and now you also want to make sure that you are logged in on the Facebook with the same account that you'd like to log in on Spotify with. And once you make sure of that, now you can simply launch Spotify, tap on login, and you can tap on continue with Facebook option. That way you will be able to fix Spotify login error. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.